BBC World News Today with me, Kirsty Lang. Telling the stories of Kurdistan, we have a special report from the Kurdish Film Festival in London. A little slice of Kurdistan has come to Britain with the opening of the 6th London Kurdish Film Festival. More than 100 movies are being showcased, and the quality is high. 2 have already won prizes at the Cannes Festival. But very few of the directors have been able to make it to London because they've been unable to secure visas from Iran, Iraq and Syria. BBC's Persian TV, Giagol reports.
A Kurdish filmmaker brings the past to life. Shahram Alidi's film tells the story of a messenger traveling around Iraqi Kurdistan. Thousands of people disappeared under Saddam's regime. Since the fall of Saddam Hussein, Iraqi Kurdistan has become a haven for filmmakers. This week, they have come to Britain for the London Kurdish Film Festival, where 127 films are being showcased.
Most of the films we are showing here has no chance to be shown in the UK otherwise, because there's no post system in Kurdistan, for example. A filmmaker wouldn't be able to send their films to the international film festivals, or there's a lot of censorship issues.
The Kurds are the largest ethnic group in the world without a state of their own. There are over 30 million living mainly in Iran, Iraq, Syria and Turkey. The Children of Diyarbakir tells the story of 2 children struggling to survive after their parents were killed by a Turkish militia. It's a story typical of the experience of many Kurds.
I'm from the Turkish part of Kurdistan, and I just decided to go back and try to talk to people and try to know what happened in the 1990s, because this was a very crucial time, a cruel time for the people there. Over 70,000 people have been disappeared or killed during that time. And when I went there, everybody I talked to had a story to tell me, and it actually wasn't difficult to find a story to tell.
Most of the films are hard-hitting, dealing with the psychological impact of torture, imprisonment, and the chemical attacks on the Kurdish people.
It's not really surprising that as a traumatized people, we want to express that emotion and we want to tell the world about what happened to us. I personally hope that we will be able to pass this stage where the stories that we're telling are of violence and cruelty, and that while we will never forget what happened to us, we will also be able to tell the stories of hope, because there is a great deal of hope in Kurdistan.
Clearly, a new era of Kurdish filmmaking has begun. This has been reflected in the number and quality of films presented at the 6th London Kurdish Film Festival. But we must wait and see if there will be more positive stories to tell. Giagol, BBC News.
I'd like to see some of those.